కెపాసిటీ ఇంకా ఖాళీగా ఉంది సార్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ లిక్విడ్ ఫార్మ్ సార్ ఇన్ ద నార్మల్ కండిషన్స్. సో ఇది బిలో 20 degrees Celsius ఉన్న వరకు కూడా it is safe in the liquid form only, sir. But with some technical problem, this refrigeration was not effective, sir, leading to rise of temperature and పైన ఉన్నటువంటి liquid state లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఇది styrene, sir, they started gasifying, sir. So this gas has spread to the surrounding villages of Venkatapuram, Padmanabhapuram, SC and PC colony, sir. ఇందులో కూడా predominantly Venkatapuram was the worst affected, sir. Sir, at the time of accident, sir, in the morning between 3:45 to 5:45, sir, the concentration of styrene was extremely high, sir. In fact, standing there itself was with great difficulty, sir. And the concentrations our time lo మేము measure చేయలేకపోయాం, sir, because we could not enter the village in the first place. Subsequently, sir, 9:30 ki we could understand the concentrations of styrene, sir. Sir, we have reached by 5:30, 5:45, sir. Sir, I personally reached, sir. Yes, sir. Ambulance must have reached by 5:15, sir. 5, latest 5, sir. Subsequently, sir, we measured the concentrations of at about 9:30 a.m. 1 to 2.5 parts per million, sir. But now the rates have again gone up, sir. So we need to monitor it on a 48-hour basis, sir, before we come to the conclusion that it is a safe colony, sir. In fact, as per sir, for it to reach safety levels, the emission has to come to zero, sir. The emissions are still continuing to happen, sir. Maybe with the addition of TDM and further water sprinkling, we can bring it down, sir. Once it comes to zero, it requires another 12 to 24 hours to completely clear from the area, sir. So we need to give it that much time, sir. Currently, the emission still has the emissions to come to zero level, sir. Sir, we are trying our best, sir. Now with this air cargo also is likely to reach by 5 p.m., sir. Once that comes with more addition of TDM and further sprinkling of TDM, sir. It is an antidote, sir. TDM, sir. It slows down it cuts the reaction, sir, basically. One thing is to lower the temperature directly, sir. Second thing is to cut the chain of reaction leading to gasification, sir. These two things have to happen simultaneously. Sorry, TBC, sir. TBC. TBC. Sir, these low concentrations normally lead to respiratory and skin sensitivity, sir. As per the information that we have from the industry, it is not totally controlled, sir. Therefore, the villagers are advised to stay away till the total gas is completely diluted in the atmosphere, sir. Normally, sir, it should decompose in between 12 to 24 hours, which I have already explained, sir. We are awaiting a very detailed report from the factories department, sir. This is only a preliminary report that we have received, sir. Sir, people are in the factory, sir. There are. Yes, sir. I also went, sir. It was. Yes, sir. Visibly, there was a dense fog in the morning, sir. Currently, that fog of this thing, vapors is not there, but there is still strong smell in the factory, sir. But it is not at dangerous level, sir. Only, sir. Only, sir. A faint smell is there, sir, continuously. So we just prepared a map. We just prepared a map, sir, for your understanding, sir. It should be in the range of 1.5 to 2 kilometers, sir. That is the area we are looking at as the affected area. 2 kilometers, sir. No, sir, this one, sir, this small circle. This is the epicenter, sir. So this area is what we are looking at, sir. Yes, sir, potential spread, sir. This is a much larger area which we thought, if it is, this is the most affected area, sir, but it is confined to this belt only, sir. It has not crossed that, sir. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కూడా మనకు అసలు ఏమాత్రం 2 kilometers from the epicenter, sir. Ma'am,
కరెక్షన్ చేసి
sir, once done.
టీబీసీ యాడ్ చేసి
Sir, there is a solution for this, sir. Actually, it is called VOC, sir. Volatile Organic Compound Measurement, sir. It is a handheld device only. Ambient air loss. This is hydrocarbon, sir. Styrene is C8H8. Volatile Organic Compound meter, sir. Organic compound meter, sir. It is a handheld device, sir. It gives you the indication of the organic compound, sir. C8H8. Yes, sir. SCYRENE, sir. Yes, sir. C8H8. That's the formula, sir. So this gives us an indication of the levels of concentration in the ambient air, sir. Of these organic compounds in the air, sir. Because the normal pollution meters, sir, they are not qualified to check this, sir. They normally nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide is what we measure, sir, other than suspended particulate matter. This specific meter measures the organic compounds. Yes, sir. Industry has one unit, sir. Our PCB, based on that only we've indicated, sir, in the earlier slide.
based on that
We have to ascertain, sir. Yes, sir. We have to ascertain, sir, if it is safe for people to return back. But MLA garu annattu, sir, currently still some emissions are going on, sir. So until it comes to a halt, give it 24 hours time, then again recheck it, then it declare that it is fit for returns.
quantum is that.
Yes, sir. Quantum has come. As compared to morning, it is much better, sir. I'll come to that today, last question. So this is a brief about the industry, sir. It has, in this location, it has 2 tanks, sir. So these are the capacities, sir. So in this slide, sir, point number 2 is requires your attention, sir. It is the initiation of the polymerization of styrene, sir, which due to prolonged storage, this is one of the reasons, sir. We don't know, sir. We are awaiting the final result, but this is the final report. But immediately what we came to know was the polymerization. Now to break this polymerization, we need that TDC, which is a TBC, sir. So this kind of slows down or breaks the polymerization process, sir. Other than this, to bring the temperature down, water sprinklers are continuously used, sir. Water పైకి వెళ్ళాలంటే కూడా there was dense styrene gas in the morning, sir.